you? How old are you?
3.
Hi. Have you been a good girl? Look at Mom. We're going to take a picture.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm sorry, this camera.
What do you want for Christmas?
A bicycle.
You want training wheels so you don't fall over?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, Santa. We better get those just in case.
Can you look over at me, Victoria, 1 minute so we can take a picture?
Smile.
Good job.
And what else?
Jack in the Box.
You want surprises? Okay, we'll do that. And you get you an apple, okay? And then I have a present for you right here.
All right.
Welcome.
Hey, now did you tell Santa, have you been a good girl this year?
I know you have.
Very good.
I can tell.
She pretty